Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. कैसे हैं आप सभी बेटा? I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home. So children, basically we are doing the revisions. हम लोग revisions कर रहे हैं. So in that only I am going to discuss with you some of the things. So firstly I should write down the details. Okay. I hope the board is visible to you all properly. The date I am writing over here, which is 19/11/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. Subject psychology. ठीक है. So date is written over here, class is written, subject is written. I hope all the information is clearly visible to you all. So children, one more thing, we are doing the revision, so I should write down here revision also. Revision of chapter 1. We are doing the revision of the chapter 1. I hope everything is properly visible to you all. Okay. So chapter 1 is all about psychology. Chapter 1 जो है, it is related to the psychology. The chapter name itself is what is psychology. इस chapter का नाम ही है what is psychology. Okay. Where we have studied about like how the definitions of psychology did change from time to time, and from where it is derived of, who is the father of psychology. We also studied about its evolution, कैसे evolution हुआ. We discussed the three main terms related to the psychology, that is mental process, experiences and behavior. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you further from this chapter only. Today I am going to discuss with you the different branches of psychology. What are the different branches? There are so many branches of psychology. So many branches. There are so many branches of psychology. Okay. So let's discuss about one of the branch. The first branch of psychology is cognitive psychology. The first branch of psychology is cognitive psychology. This is the first branch of psychology, cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is that branch of psychology which deal with the cognition. ये वो ब्रांच है साइकोलॉजी का जो कि कॉग्निशन से डील करता है. कॉग्निशन मीन्स नोइंग एंड कॉग्निशन इन्वॉल्व ऑल काइंड ऑफ मेंटल प्रोसेसेस. कॉग्निशन मीन्स एवरी काइंड ऑफ मेंटल प्रोसेसेस. Like it involves the use of thinking, remembering, problem solving, decision making. These all are the parts of cognitive psychology. So cognitive psychology deal with the cognition, mental processes. it basically based an understanding between what is cognition and how the cognition help in having a good behavior. Second point related to the, or we can say that second branch of psychology is biological psychology. The second branch of psychology is biological psychology. Biological psychology is related to the biological aspect of the human being, bio aspect of the human being. Biological or biological means bio aspects of the human being. Means how this part of psychology deal with. So it is deal with related to the health aspects. जितनी भी health से related aspects हैं that come under the biological psychology. Next, the third part is neuropsychology. The third part is neuropsychology. Neuropsychology deal with the psychology related to, or I can say that the focus on the mind only. It is related to the focus on the mind only. Biological is something a very broad concept. You can consider the neuropsychology as a narrow concept. It is a term neuropsychology which is a part of the biological psychology. This field basically emerged from this field. यहाँ से ही न्यूरोसाइकोलॉजी भी आया है, यहाँ से ही, ठीक है, बायोलॉजिकल साइकोलॉजी से ही इमर्ज होके न्यूरोसाइकोलॉजी आया. Is it clear? Okay. So the three branches of psychology we have discussed. Now, next branch of psychology, the fourth one is developmental psychology. Developmental psychology. So it is that part of psychology which deal with the development, how the person develop, how it is originated. Understood? Developmental psychology is that branch of psychology which deal with the development of each and everything. Development of cognition, development of everything. That is a part of the developmental psychology. Development is a term which is differ from the growth. Growth से ये term differ होता है. Growth is a biological term, but development is a psychological term. So this is a psychology which deal with how the child develop and what are the different stages and what are the requirement which a child have to fulfill during that stage. Like for example, what are the kind of sensory development, motor development, emotional development or physical development or the motor development take place during infancy, during childhood, during adolescence, during adulthood and during old age. So ये सारी चीज़ों में इंटीग्रेट करके रखने का काम डेवलपमेंटल साइकोलॉजी के फील्ड का होता है. इसके बाद द नेक्स्ट फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इज कॉग्निटिव बायोलॉजिकल न्यूरो डेवलपमेंटल। इसके बाद द नेक्स्ट फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इज इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी। इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी इज अ वेरी अमेजिंग फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी। ये बहुत ही यूनिक और एक इमर्जिंग फील्ड है नाउ इन द रिसेंट एरा। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इमर्जिंग है इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी, विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडस्ट्रीज। इंडस्ट्रीज की बात हो रही है। इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी के एक अल्टरनेटिव नेम भी है। इट इज ऑल्सो नोन बाय द नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल साइकोलॉजी। आप इसे इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी कहो और ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल साइकोलॉजी। ठीक है, so these are some of the branches of psychology which I had discussed with you. Some more are left. Firstly, I am discussing with you industrial and organizational psychology. Industrial psychology are basically it is that part of psychology which deal with the industries, with the organizations. What are the requirements are there in the organization to maintain an harmony and peace between the employer and the employee, to increase the productivity. So there are so many things which are related to the organizational psychology. Okay, next part, or I can say that the next branch of psychology. 5 I had discussed over here. 6, which is a clinical psychology. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychology, it is again a very interesting field, and basically you can say that the main field of psychology जो सबसे ज़्यादा अभी पॉपुलर है, that is the clinical psychology field. Clinical psychology is a psychology which deal with the clinical aspect of the person. क्लिनिकल की बात कर रहा है, मेडिकल एरिया की बात कर रहे हैं, मेडिकल की हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी। ठीक है, इसके बाद द नेक्स्ट फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इज काउंसलिंग। काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी। क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है, पहले तो ये मालूम होना चाहिए। क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी इज अ साइकोलॉजी विच डील विद द साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर, देयर ट्रीटमेंट, उनसे रिलेटेड है। साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम, साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर, ठीक है, उनसे रिलेटेड है क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी। देन काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी डील विद लाइक इफ एनी पर्सन इज हैविंग अ मोटिवेशनल प्रॉब्लम एंड इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम एंड सोशल प्रॉब्लम, सो उनसे रिलेटेड होता है काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी। ठीक है, cognitive, biological, neuro, developmental, industrial, clinical, counseling. Sports psychology is another field of psychology. Sports psychology. This is also one of the branch of psychology, children. ये भी एक branch है psychology का, sports psychology. ठीक है, this is also one of the branch, sports psychology. ठीक है, related to the sports. Yes, it is very true that in sports also you required a psychology need, a psychological help, because there are so many things are there also. so many things are there also. How it is, so many things are there also to maintain a harmony between, and to the mental peace of these sport persons are very required. It's very required that they should be mentally fit. Although they are physically fit होते हैं, but mentally fit होना भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, मेंटल फिटनेस. वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. ठीक है. Moving to the next branch of psychology, cognitive psychology, biological, neuro, developmental, industrial, organizational, clinical, counseling, sports. Moving to the next part. What will be the next part or the next branch of psychology? So the next branch of psychology is educational psychology. The next branch of psychology is educational psychology. Yeah, this is a psychology and this is an area which deal with the education. How education are important for us. कैसे education हमारे लिए important है. ठीक है. How educational psychology is important for us. कितना important है ये. Education में there are so many things are there, like making the policy, framing the policy, and doing monetary relationship between, maintaining the relationship between the thing. So that are the part of educational psychology. Now the next part is school psychology. School psychology is something a narrow concept than the educational psychology. School psychology की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो सिर्फ that is a person who only deal with the school. But education की बात करते हैं तो that is a person who deal with the whole education system. ठीक है? So basically these are some of the branches of psychology, and there are other psychology field also. Firstly you should note it down, then I should rub the board and move to the further. Some of them I can write down here also. Like one of the main branches of psychology which is emerging is psychophysics. This is also one of the branch of psychology which linked or which connect the psychology with the physics, and that is known as psychophysics. Another branch of psychology which also linked so many things, it is psychoneuroimmunology. Which linked between psychoneuroimmunology, which linked the distinguish between the mind, brain and the immune system. How the mind, brain and immune system are related to each other. So there is a close connection between the mind, brain and immune system, and the field which is reading about this is psychoneuroimmunology. Apart from this, again I can say that some of the new fields are emerging which are forensic psychology. Medical psychology, then criminology, which deal and study about the criminals, crime, legal psychology, which we call that. The law student who wants to do the law, they have to read this paper. They have to consider legal psychology. Basically discuss with the mental aspects of the criminals, like how they are thinking, to understand them, where they are lying, where they are saying the truth. तो ये distinguish करना, ठीक है? So you note down these one. I hope I have done so many things. Now something if it is left, so we can discuss it. Firstly, you completed. I hope you all have written it down. So moving to the next one. So what are the other branches which we have to discuss about? It is cultural psychology. Yes, children. Cultural psychology, which study the relationship between the culture. How one culture is influencing our behavior. How the change in the culture shape our behavior and personality. Okay. So all these aspects and all these topics are concerned of cultural psychology. From cultural psychology, one of the field has emerged, and that is the cross-cultural. Cross-cultural psychology. Cross-culture means cultural psychology basically the study of within the culture, and cross-culture means the study of psychology with outside the culture. Cross-culture, दूसरे culture से भी study करना. Is it clear? Cultural psychology and cross-cultural psychology. Then another branch of psychology which I have not written at that time, that is legal psychology, which I already explained to you all what is legal psychology. इसी से ही ये भी फील्ड इमर्ज हुआ है, क्रिमिनल साइकोलॉजी. Then the next branch of psychology is abnormal psychology. This is that branch of psychology which basically deal with the psychological disorder and the abnormal behavior. What are the abnormal behaviors are there? उस पे ये study करता है. What is their segregation? What are the differences? What are the different kinds of abnormality? What is abnormality? To define it, to have a categorization of so many disorders. So these are the parts of abnormal psychology. So you can see children, आप देख रहे हैं, there are so many branches which we are discussing. It is not like that कि एक ही कोई branch है. Psychology is emerging. Psychology के बहुत सारे branches हैं. It is countless. I hope इनके नेम आपने लिख लिए होंगे. तो आप अपनी कॉपी में इस तरीके से कुछ बना सकते हैं. ब्रांचेस ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, और इसके सारे इमेजेस यू कैन राइट डाउन ओवर हियर. What are the different branches of psychology? Okay, so like this you can do it. The name which I had told in your copy. Okay, or any way else you can make it. Okay. Okay children, I just hope you understand the thing, whatever the thing I told you all. Okay, if you have any doubt still, आपको लगता है कि कोई doubt है, तो you will discuss with me in the classroom. आप मुझसे classroom में ज़रूर discuss करेंगे. Okay, thank you so much children for carefully listening and observing this video. Thank you.